Alright, sorry about the wind. I'm mostly speaking from my own self later on, watching this video and try to make sense of what's going on. That pad's been cut away. They've had to step up 2 feet for a long time. And as we finished up cleaning the corral, Christopher pushed dirt up. So, recording, watching the cattle walk up for the first time. It's a little bit of a surprise to them, but they figured it out pretty quick. We're going to leave the panel out right there until we need it. Let them pack down everywhere. No doubt we'll have to fill it again later. That's fine.